will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this natural deep wave unit. This hair is brought to you by House of Krowns. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize and style this unit. So if that's something you guys are interested in today, then keep on watching. Bye.
Niecy, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Can we take a moment to be in awe of this box? Super great quality. I already knew this wig was gonna be bomb just based on the box. You could just tell, okay? This is a black owned brand, so I'm super excited to be working with House of Krowns. I love supporting black businesses, and she did not miss a beat. This is a Houston stylist out here, so you know you gotta support your local black owned business. And the wig is bomb. It is a deep wave, 30 inches, and a HD lace frontal at 13x4 perimeter. This unit is bomb. It is a 250% density. And did I mention she's HD lace? I think I already did. So it's gonna melt, girl. It's definitely gonna melt. So now we're going to customize this unit with my 50 volume developer, my quick blue powder, and my Adore Rich Eggplant. This is just gonna make that lace look like it's skin, okay? So we're just gonna add some Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray around the perimeter of the hair to, you know, get rid of those flyaways to apply our bleach. I let that sit for about 30 minutes and I wash it out with purple conditioner. And this is how it looks the next day. Like, this hair is so bomb. Like, the curls, the camera, this is 4K, you guys. The camera does not lie. So here I'm just plucking this unit. It didn't need too much plucking. I felt like I bleached the knots perfectly to where, you know, I didn't have to do too much plucking. I just love the quality of this hair. I'm actually super excited, you know. I love getting a good deep wave wig, okay? Deep wave is like the best texture on me, period. I'ma always rave about water waves or deep wave wigs. I am definitely a perfectionist when it comes to wigs, so honestly, you didn't have to pluck this unit, but I personally did because, you know, I just love to customize it to my vision of how frontal wigs should look. And I just use a hot comb to guide how my hair will be looking. And then once you finish, just don't forget to add your concealer in front of the hairline and inside the wig cap as well. So now it's time to install this unit. I have plenty of tutorials on how I install my units. This time I'm doing a ball cap because we are going to do some peekaboo braids on this unit. So I'm just gonna stop talking, let you vibe out to the music, and I'm gonna come back to you on the tutorial.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. How do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never smile for you. Yeah. I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you.
That song was a bop. No one can tell me nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed that song. So as you can see, I am adding some peekaboo braids. So what that means is I'm putting a braid under my parting. So when I put my part down, it's like a subtle braid, but you don't know if it's like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. But I am using my root cover up because I kind of over bleached the knots just a tad bit. It's not actually too much, but that root cover up spoolie actually helped close the parts a little bit and make it look real natural. So this wig unit is very good quality hair, so make sure you don't leave the bleach on for too long, because you know, when it comes to really good quality hair, like, you can't just leave product on for too long, or else it'll just, you know, bleed through because it's just that natural. I don't know if that makes sense, or that raw. So yeah, here I can't really teach you how to do braids because honestly I feel like these braids look a little bit raggedy, but here I got this inspo from a TikToker. I have it up on the screen. I thought this hairstyle looked so freaking cute and I wanted to try it on black hair. She tried it on some burgundy hair, so I thought this look was so cute. It gives island girl vibes. This is like perfect for like vacation trips if you don't like wear braids or whatever. This is like a perfect hairstyle for vacations or the summertime. Definitely follow House of Krowns on Instagram and TikTok, and you know, let them know that Reesie sent you over there. You know, support black business even if it's just looking through their website. I just love the aesthetic and the design and also the quality of the wigs and the effort that they put into this. So now we are on the baby hairs, the fun part. So here I'm just plucking out extra hairs. Look at that melt. Oh my gosh, this is literally my hair now. It's glued to my head. It's my hair. It's official. So here I'm curling up my baby hairs using my pencil flat iron and then just using some hairspray to mold my baby hairs using a edge control brush. That's all I do. A lot of people use mousse. Me personally, mousse doesn't really work for me. But yeah, this is basically it. So now for the final part, I'm just going to part the sides of the frontal, and I'm going to wand curl it with the tiniest wand that I have, which is this one. I want to say it's like 1/2 of an inch. I love this curling iron because I could switch like the how do you say it, the curlers to it. So this, I just exchanged it to 1/2 of an inch of the wand curl, and look at how gorgeous those curls look. And then I just finished it off with some spray, some water, not spray, and Garnier Fructis, and I just finger combed through it. I didn't comb through this unit at all. With water wave units, I never comb through it. Honestly, I just love the natural look of this, and this is basically the final result. How do you guys like it? Let me know down below. I want to thank you so much, House of Crown, for letting me try out your gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
lying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing